everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a Risograph art styles using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platform that will help you to generate AI images or stylish artwork or maybe unique visual edits and many more. And in here we will use this tool to turn your photo into a Risograph art styles. And if you want to try or if you want to access this tool, you can just check the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this, and then next, just go to Image Studio, go to AI Designs like this, and then next, just upload your photo like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. For I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to try to create your own prompt, just create it, and then after that, just tap on AI model in here, and then just choose your SEO, and after that, just tap on submit. And okay, like this, your photo will transform into a beautiful Risograph styles artwork with retro print vibes like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. Maybe next you can just try this tools yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.